that your group was behind funding this yung mga unruly na rioters?
Ay, wala po. Wala na kami pondo eh. Ito nga, hindi namin mapondohan yung mga presko namin eh. Yung pang mga grupong violence eh. At tingin namin doon, alam niyo kung ano, sabi ko nga, that's very dangerous. Ang tingin ko is to send a chilling message sa mga legitimate opposition na wag nang mag-rally at pagbibintangan tayo. And I would not put it above the present administration na mag-fabricate ng evidence. With the kind of DOJ secretary that we have, ay hindi na ako magtataka kung mag-invento ng ebidensya yan. Eh, ang delikado dyan, if you deter, if you stifle the legitimate opposition from exercising the constitutional right to assemble peaceably to petition the government for redress of grievances, ang matitira dyan, sino? Yung violent opposition. Huwag niyong sisigilin yung centrist opposition. Yan ang peaceful opposition. Yan ang niniwala sa regular electoral process in working within the Constitution. Ang iwanan nyo, yung mga gumagawa ng extra-constitutional means. Yan ang danger dyan. Kung tatakutin mo yung lehitimong opposition na mag-rally.